Dear internet trolls, thanks for taking so much time to tell me I'm a worthless jerk and you hate my work. But even folks who don't like my videos do count, so you and your pals have really goosed my view count. Though you think my writing and singing sucks, you helped me make a few extra bucks. And you might think that I think your comments are scary, but clearly you just need a hug and a dictionary. Dear internet trolls, gosh, you really sound upset and you want to get it off your chest, but I'm not impressed. Your anti-Semitic sexist slurs would be more compelling if you could be bothered to check your spelling. As for using foul language to knock me, I've raised teenage sons, so it's hard to shock me. You might think that I think your comments are scary, but clearly you just need a hug and a dictionary and a good therapist. Now some of what you say may seem hateful, but for making me feel famous I'm grateful. And I don't want to sound shrill myself, but you and your friends have already suggested plenty of possible methods to kill myself, so I'm good, thanks. Dear internet trolls, do you think the way you bellyache is gonna make me disappear? Sorry, I'm still here, and I know what's behind the misbehaving around your tricks, showing off for each other by waving around your words. If what I create makes you hate and deplore it, you know you could always just ignore it. So don't think that I think your comments are scary. Clearly you just need a hug and a dictionary and a good therapist and a job and a social life and a remedial English class and some serious medication and something constructive to do with what's clearly too much free time on your hands. And a teddy bear and a lollipop.